or to take statistic too. But if you take mechanics, usually for the students that never learned physics before, mechanics will be difficult. So statistic will make more sense. But last year, Sampurna doesn't allow statistic. So this year, yeah, let us see if your teacher allow statistic too. Okay. So I start with Poisson distribution. First, the characteristic version. So the characteristic for Poisson distribution is it must work at a certain interval of area or time. So usually you will see a statement of per centimeter square or in 1 second. Usually you'll see that kind of statement. So that's the first characteristic. Second characteristic, normal, like it have to be random, and the probability has to be constant and independent. Then another one, the formula now, but then you go at the notation version. So if you want to write the notations for Poisson, it will be X so the lambda is the average. The lambda is the average. So we go example first just now. Let's say a radioactive source. Emit 5 particles per second. The average is 5 particles per second. Find the probability for it to emit fewer than 3 particles in a second. So here we are using Poisson, not because you are learning Poisson, but because they have a certain number of time per second. So we have to write the notation first. X, PO, the mean is 5. Then we are asked to find the probability for X to be lesser than 3. Means this one include X0 up to X equals to 2. Understand until here? It's supposed to be. Then the formula is given by E is your calculator E, to the power of negative X times, to the power of negative lambda times lambda to the power of X over X factorial. You can count for this case, the answer would be 0.125. So let's try to count fewer than 3. You apply the formula and see if we can get 0.125 for that.
So the X is what?
The X is like when X is 0, So you're finding lesser than 3, right? So it means the x can change from 0 to 2.
Oh, so do one by one, Master.
Yeah, yeah. Try to count. Let's see if you can find this formula or not.
So what is the E, sir?
E is calculated E. It's like SIF ln supposed to be.
Shift what, sir?
SIF ln, SIF ln.
Oh, okay, sir. Oh, okay, sir.
So it's syntax error. I don't know why.
If E, right, some calculator may not type power already. Literally E something only.
Oh, okay. Okay, sir.
How to find the is it lambda?
Lambda is the average. So it means in this case it's 5.
I cannot get, sir.
What do you get?
I get 0.08.
I get 0.118.
Must come from 0, 1, and 2. Right? Add them out all together.
Oh, okay, sir.
When you count 0, it's going to give you the answer. If you use the x0, you get 0.0067. When you use the x1, you get 0.0337, right, or 68, right? And last one is 0.082. Yeah, then add all this together.
Oh, okay, sir.
So I clear the board.
So I photo first, sir.
I'll continue again, okay? So if you cannot get, let me know. Now you got part B. So let's say the next question is, this one, you already tried to calculate? If you haven't, I will wait first. So if you haven't, please finish that first and confirm if you can get it. Anyone still doing the previous one?
Yes.
Also, I,
No, eh? Okay, continue. Wait, no or yes? I can't listen to them.
I'm
I-
still doing.
Still doing, okay.
So when x equals to 0, how can we find, sir?
Can e to the power of 0 is 1. 0 factorial is 1 also.
Oh.
Yeah, continue. So the next question is, he asks you to calculate the probability for it to emit more than 2 particles in 3 seconds. So here you have to pay attention. It mentioned in 3 seconds. Just now the mean 5 is in how many seconds?
1 second.
1 second. So in a normal, in Poisson distribution, this one is very important. So if the time is no longer the same, you have to deal with the lambda first. So the mean has changed right now. The mean is no longer 5. The mean is 3 times 5, so it's 15. Understand? So now I change it to the y, so y and the lambda is 15. And then he said I have to count more than 2. So I count another way around. I count 0, 1, and 2 first, right? And I add all of them together. And I subtract them with, I take 1 subtracted with that. You understand?
Mm.
Because greater than 2, right, it can be 3 to infinity. So we cannot solve that. Okay? Try to solve this also.
So I write down the just now one first, yeah.
You finish that first.
This-
So the first one I get 0.0.123.
You count, just now you have a picture, you get the same answer with me. When I get the 0 is this and that.
No, I didn't take picture.
Sorry?
I didn't take pictures.
Oh. Wait, question. What is the answer when you get for the x is 0?
Uh, z 0.006.
Okay, then another one, when the x is 1?
0.033.
When the x is 2?
0.0842.
Yeah, add them all together.
So for the second one, why the lambda is 3 times 5?
Because it's no longer 1 second. It's ready for 3 seconds, so I have to change the lambda. Okay, I want to continue already. We're gonna take a picture on the board of the board again.